Create content, they say. It's easy. All you do is pick up your phone and record a video, or go to Canva and create a graphic and schedule it out. But what does that really mean? And how do you get from feeling overwhelmed with all the things that you should be doing, could be doing, and probably need to be doing, but you just can't get past that overwhelm stage? So you're finding it that you're not doing anything. And if you are doing some things, it's probably not consistent. That's what we're going to talk about in today's episode here of The Good Agent. Welcome. My name's Ed Troxell. I am your host. And if this is your first time joining, I want to invite you to subscribe to our newsletter. That's right. Our newsletter is called Handle Your Business Weekly. And it's one email that I send out each week with tips, recaps of the episodes here, and more to help you streamline your business and run it more efficiently and effectively online. So be sure to do that. The link is in the comments. Of course, you can always message me anywhere you find me online, including my website at troxell.com, and I will get you on that list before 10 a.m. on Friday, so don't miss out. Now, on today's episode, let's talk about how you can create content without feeling overwhelmed, because chances are you're probably feeling a weight on your shoulders right now when it comes to creating content. You know you should be creating video content. You know that you should be putting out graphics. You know you should have a website. You know you should be doing email marketing. You know that you should be doing all of the things because everyone tells you to do them. And yet you're still not doing them, and you're not doing them well. And it's because you're overwhelmed. You don't know where to start. You don't know what to do next, and you don't know where to share that content first. So let's break it down into 5 easy steps for you here to remove that overwhelm so that you can start creating your content consistently and then build up as you go. So number 1, I want you to take a look at your schedule. That's right. Go back to your schedule. We got to go back to the basics. Go back to your schedule, sit down and pick one day, just one day, to create your content. I don't care if it's on Monday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, whatever works for you. I will say, though, that if you pick a day during the week, make sure that it's one where you typically have less client work. For example, Mondays for a real estate agent might be a lot slower than, say, for a small business owner. Fridays, on the other hand, might be the opposite. Fridays for agents are probably slammed because they have the weekend showings coming up, whereas small businesses might have a little bit quieter, especially in the mornings. So think about your work week and what day can you pick to create your content. So that's step number 1. Step number 2 is, once you have that day and time, of course, you want to pick 4 topics. That's it. 4 topics. You got this. 4 topics. All I want you to pick is 4 topics that you can talk about. Why 4 topics? Well, typically there's 4 weeks in a month. And if we are going back to the basics and helping you get on a consistent schedule, we want to pick 1 topic per week to share out on social media or anywhere that you show up online. So write out 4 topics that you can talk about. Now, step number 3 is going to be writing out 1 to 3 talking points for each topic. That's it. You have your main topic and you have a talking point or 2 or 3. That's it. Now, for step number 4, go ahead and create your 4 pieces of content. If you're creating a graphic, so you have 1 topic, 3 talking points, and you're creating that graphic, let's say on Monday, well, guess what? If you wanted to, you're feeling a little frisky and you're like, yeah, I got this. Ed helped me out. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. Well, then on Wednesday, take that graphic and transform that into a video. You already know your topic. You already know your talking points. All you have to do is pick up your phone and record your video. But if that's too much, don't do it. Stick to 1 post per week. So you have 1 post, 1 topic, up to 3 talking points per week. That's it. Now, here's a little bit of a bonus for you, the 5th one. Think about your content creation in seasons. I always like to relate things back to TV shows. Think about your favorite Netflix show. it has a season 1, season 2, season 3. The same thing applies with your content creation. Figure out what season you're in. Are you in a season of creating video content? Which I hope you are. And hopefully we'll work together. Reach out. I can tell you more about the video advantage and how that might help you in your business. But think about what season are you in and understand that that season is when you can be creating the content and not sharing it, meaning you're scheduling it for the future. You could be in a season of recording videos and putting them out every week. You could be in a season of recording podcast episodes, just like I am, and putting them out every week. But just think about, what season are you in? Because when you start thinking about working in seasons, it makes your life a whole lot easier. And then it removes that I have to create every single day for the rest of my life as long as I own this business. No, remove the pressure. Get rid of what's not fun and get back to the basics. So just to recap this episode, if you want to remove the overwhelm of creating content, you need to pick a day to create content. Think about one topic, up to 3 talking points per topic, and release that once a week at least. Start where you are, so whether it's written, a graphic, or a video, and as you move on, increase that if you want. Add in more. I will tell you, once you start to plan and start at the basics again, everything gets so much clearer and you really speed things up. This is actually the first year, 2023, where I have had my content scheduled out past April. Past April. And I'm talking about video, I'm talking about audiograms, I'm talking about graphics. I've never done that. And the reason why is because I gave myself permission to go back to basics, to be in a season where I'm off, where I'm not posting every week, or at least not feeling like I have to, building up my content library, and then scheduling it out so that when I get into my on season, which I'm currently in, I have content that's already scheduled, that's already ready, and that's already going out. So then all I have to do is engage. Remember, those are the 3 keys to success: show up, deliver, and engage. And so when you can plan ahead, it makes all 3 of those a lot easier. Now, if you have any questions or you need support in your business, please don't hesitate to reach out. Head over to edtroxell.com, send me a message. You'll see my smiling face on video everywhere you go, basically. Click on the video chat, send me a message, and let's talk. Let's see how I can help you, whether it's with video coaching or just streamlining your business here online. This has been an episode of The Good Agent. Be sure to use the link below to join the email club so you can get a copy of our weekly newsletter, Handle Your Business Weekly. See you next time.